In today's video, we're talking about, can AI write a book? Yes, AI can write books. You can actually write a brief summary about a book. It could create topics, subtopics, chapters, plot twists, and even a dialogue. So some authors use AI for brainstorming. So as a writer, you're trying to create a book, you can use any of the AI tools to kind of have insights on the topics. I could say maybe chapter one to chapter five. Hey, can you write a book on data analytics? What topics do I need? What subheadings do I need? What subtopics do I need? So these AI tools can help you brainstorm as a writer. So it saves you so much time. But will you trust AI to write a novel? I think it needs some human touch though. But to tackle this spicy question, can AI write a book? In short answer, I'll say yes, because it can. And the other answer could be, it depends on what kind of book you want. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm plots, build characters, write chapters, and even rewrite them in different styles. If you want a pirated theme romance or a sci-fi thriller in Shakespearean English, it is possible with any of the ChatGPT tools, or with ChatGPT or any of the AI tools. Sorry about that. But it is important that AI doesn't just feel things. So if you want real emotion, human insight, or perfect punchline, you're still the author. So you don't just use AI as your hyperspeed co-writer. You should actually infuse some human intelligence, some thought process as a human to help spice up your work as an author. Some folks use AI to write full novels, but on the other side, you can actually crush it depending on, there's what we call prompt engineering. So if you want to write a book, there's so many prompts you can put into your AI to could be ChatGPT, could be Gemini. There are so many prompts you could type in, and it could help you write your book with some human spice, kind of emotional intelligence. It could be in a formal or professional form. There's so many ways we can use AI in writing a book. It's not just about typing the topic you want. You can key in what you want as an author. What's the aim for writing this book? What audience are you trying to reach? All these are things that you need to study, learn how to prompt using these AI tools, and you'll be able to get or write a book. That'll be wonderful out there. My next video, I'll be talking about AI ethics. See you there. You can actually subscribe, share, and buckle up, because 30 days of generative AI is in progress right now. Thank you for watching.